Class is back in session.
It's a big moment for all of us. Who would have thought that someone from this house could go to a private school?
To the Student Council of 2021, a new chapter is about to start. Old dreams will end and new dreams will begin. Signal High's new head girl is Zolani Zondi.
She embarrassed me in front of the entire grade 11 class.
How do you feel not being the first choice head girl?
Vote for death! Vote for death!
I'm new to this whole head girl thing, okay?
Friends.
Let's not act like you were actually elected.
Good luck trying to find someone to be on your side. Because everyone knows you were nothing but a second choice.
Please, man, she's just doing it for the attention.
Jazz, what's your problem?
The encore edition of Signal High Season 2, Friday at 4, SABC 2.